Hello, bachcho, let's see the question. So the question is saying, which of the following is not a general characteristics of equilibrium involving a physical process? बेसिकली हमसे पूछा गया कि हमें चार ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, इनमें से क्या चीज़ नहीं होती है ड्यूरिंग द फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. सो व्हाट कुड बी द की कंसेप्ट है? सो द की कंसेप्ट here विल बी फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम. अगर हम बात करें फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम की, सो कुछ मैं पॉइंट जॉट डाउन कर रहा हूँ. So physical equilibrium occurs in a closed container. So it basically occur in a closed container, and also it is dynamic in nature. It is what? Dynamic in nature. What do you mean by dynamic in nature? It means that इसमें क्या होगा, फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन भी होगी, बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन भी होगी, बट this happens at the same rate. Rate of forward reaction is equal to the rate of backward reaction, and there is a no change in the total. Talking about the third characteristics, जो measurable properties होती है, like temperature, pressure, volume, so ये सब चीजें क्या हो जाती है? They will become constant. They will become constant. So during the physical equilibrium, I'm like talking about the characteristic. It is basically take place in the closed container. It is dynamic in nature. Both the forward and the backward processes happens, but at the same speed, making no change in total. And third is what? जो measurable properties होती है like temperature, pressure, volume, etc. of the system become constant. Now talking about the option, all the physical processes stops at equilibrium. ये गलत है. फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस स्टॉप नहीं होती लाइक ड्यूरिंग द फिजिकल इक्विलिब्रियम या फिर इक्विलिब्रियम के टाइम फिजिकल प्रोसेसेस स्टॉप नहीं होती. दिस इज रॉन्ग. सो equilibrium possible only in a closed container at the given temperature. Yes, this is also true. All measurable properties of system become constant. This is also true. D, opposing the processes occur at the same rate. Yes, कि डायनामिक है. सो इसी हिसाब से आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा ए. सो वी कैन राइट द आंसर एज ए. Hope you understood that. Best of luck.